Hey everybody, this is John, and welcome to the free video. I'm just going to do a quick recap. I just basically finished up the largest trade of my career and want to recap it real quick. So I got into a trade in Tesla on Friday, and that was here. Was that there? Yeah. And that was after it had already bounced $240. So it's like, oh my gosh, am I too late? But it ended up making $3.7 million. So biggest trade I've ever done. So let's do a quick recap of that. So even though I missed a lot of the move, completely missed this move, like did not participate, we did get another 30-minute squeeze here at around 1630 to 1650. And when that happened, I sent an alert out to our trading room and just said, hey, I am looking for a manageable way to play Tesla here. I'm going to do the 1700, 1800 call debit spread for next week at 1750. And this is going to be a 15% position, which means this is 3 times normal. Normal I do 5%. So I like to mark in the room if I'm going to go in. Basically, for me, I'm locked and loaded. I'm going in the sucker. And in addition, we had, of course, the daily squeeze, which had been hooking higher and was poised to push Tesla to new highs. And the way I structured this trade is, of course, I did the call debit spread, and then for me that was a 500 contract trade, so trading a big account. And then I also just did 1,000 shares of stock, which of course just is like having 10 contracts. So technically it was like a 510 contract trade instead of merely a 500 contract trade. So we held this into Monday, and this is amazing because of course we got the spread at about $17, and on Monday by the close it was trading at 67.40. So this is already the biggest trade I've ever done, 2.2 million, but I decided to hold overnight. So it's kind of like, oh my gosh, and everybody in the room was like, are you crazy? Why don't let's take profits on this? And a lot of people were taking profits, which I get, and that's the smart move. But when you look at this move, not only was it a super clean breakout here with the daily squeeze firing, but you also had the 1272 extension here at 1911. So I figured we could at least hit that. And that was worth holding it overnight. Now, of course, TOS has been down the last 2 days, so I've had to watch this on mobile, and I was able to go in a couple times on TOS, but basically I've been doing this on mobile. So I had to check this and close this out at $86. But all in all, it turned into a $3.7 million trade, which is the biggest trade of my career, which was crazy. But it's also just the idea of recognizing the opportunities that are there and not hesitating and taking advantage of them. So this is great. We did this in the trading room. We all made a ton of money on it. We also did this as small lot, took the small lot to new highs, took my trading room account to new highs, and now here we go. So, it's time for the next trade. That one was a lot of fun. There's probably another Tesla trade setting up here, and I will be taking a look at that, and we'll see what we can do. All right, you guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.